Namaste. I, Dr. Tanmay Goswami, on behalf of Give Academy. Today's life design program, what we started from June 1st. Every day I am trying to come to you and give special information about beauty of the day as per the cosmic influences, how this day is going to influence our human psyche. Then how can we make it better by our good food, by lifestyle which is given in Ayurveda. And also we have added lately one yoga asana for each day. If you like this program, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get every day's information by YouTube. Please, my dear friends, if you have any good thing to start, this is the best day for that. Please make a best use of it. So, Doctor, June 24th, Wednesday, Tritiya, Pushya. This is very good combination. To be honest, in this corona period, I was waiting for this at least one day which is without any flaws, and this is the day is June 24th. And from here health is going to become very good for the people. If you remember, in solar eclipse, I have given the prophecy that on this solar eclipse we are going to get remedy for corona, novel coronavirus, and it happened. We got particular antiviral medicine for that. Especially India took a very good lead in it. Now, after this, Sunday happened, Monday happened, Tuesday happened, and Tuesday is a great day of Jagannath Rath Yatra and public service day where great people have served the nation in this time. This is very good day, 24th of June, Wednesday. This is actually Tritiya. It's a third moon, third lunar size, coming in front of Pushya set of constellations happening on Wednesday. Now, Wednesday is very good for communication. Tritiya, third lunar day, is one of the best. It is the day you can start your food, music. It's a day of every good activities. And among all nakshatras, most beautiful nakshatra is Rohini and most intelligent nakshatra is Pushya. Means Pushya is a such constellation of stars, when it combines with moon, that day it gives very high power to human psyche of the whole world. Even negative people become also a little bit positive, and positive becomes very positive. It is said in astrological books of Muhurta, Pushye siddhyanti sarvani karyani mangalani cha. Pushye siddhyanti means Pushya gives the siddhi, success. Sarvani means in all, karyani, actions, and gives mangala, give good results. Now, they have given particular condition also. Budhe Pushyah Shubhaprada. If this beautiful constellation of Pushya stars and moon combines, and that too if it happens on Wednesday, it is one of the best for Shubha. Now, this is a very crucial time going on, Ashadha Masa. Ashadha Masa, actually there are, as you have 12 names of every month, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Similarly, we also have our Indian astrological names for every month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshta, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashirsha, Pausha, and Magha, Falguna, Chaitra, and Vaishakha. This is Ashadha Masa. Actually, Ashadha is the ending of summer is ended and rain is started. This is a very special time which we call as a Pravrat Ritu in Ayurveda books. Means summer is over, rain is not yet complete, rain started, the middle junction period between summer and rainy season. This Pravrat, according to Charaka Samhita, Tasyashitiya, 6th chapter of Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana, he has given that when sun actually moving upward, that is called as Adana Kala, Uttarayana. And when it starts moving down, that is Dakshinayana, that is Visarga Kala. So Adana means when it's completing. So actually Magha, which is something like January, February, Falguna month, that is February, March. So in this time actually energy is very powerful. Slowly when you come down, like in March and April, which we call Chaitra, then April, May, which we call Vaishakha. April, May means 15th April to 15th May. Here power is moderate, not very low, not very high. But when it comes May, June, actually Vata increase and power comes down, and in Ashadha power is very low. Physical strength is down, fire, digestive power is down, and this is going to continue for 1 month. So this low energy time is for 1 month, but today's day is very good, so it is not low energy. If today if one start, suppose, to doing exercises, they are going to get successful. That will continue very long. Anything which you start on this Wednesday, Pushya, Tritiya, any auspicious thing, it will be successful. So please start doing exercises, start eating some good food, make some rules, like I will start eating dates now. So make a rule that from June 24th, Wednesday, people should take dates and milk every day, and try to do physical exercise little, not too much, half of their total power. Mercury, Wednesday. This is the day of Mercury, and Anahata Chakra, the chest, is for Mercury. So do Anuloma Viloma Pranayama 50 times on this day, and try to do Bhujangasana, cobra pose, so that you can have a chest should be uplifted. Do 10 times this posture. And as far as mantra is concerned, it's a day where power is very high. As far as spiritual part of this day is concerned, moon is in Cancer, set of stars. From their 9th house, which is a house of spirituality, governed by Jupiter, which is in 7th house from this moon with Saturn. So do any mantra of Narayana. You can chant Om Namo Narayanaya. You can chant Vishnu Sahasranama, Narayana Kavacha. And if you follow any path of your spirituality, you can discuss with your spiritual faith with your gurus. Thank you.